To calculate the station's wavelength, we use the formula speed equals wavelength times frequency. We know the frequency is 106.1 MHz, which is the same as 106.1 times 10 to the 6 Hz, and the speed of all radio waves is 3 times 10 to the 8 centimeters per second. So when we substitute in the values, the wavelength is 2.8 centimeters. A projectile is an object where the only force acting upon it is gravity. This projectile, or Noah's bagel, travels horizontally only by its own inertia. According to Newton's first law, an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside net force. So, disregarding air resistance, the projectile's horizontal motion is constant. Since horizontal motion does not affect vertical motion, the only outside net force on the bagel is gravity. Thus, the object will travel towards the ground. As we approach the left turn, we keep a constant speed of 20 miles per hour. However, our velocity is not constant because we are changing direction in our circular path, and velocity is distance over time. Thus, we are accelerating around the turn even though our speedometer says 20 miles per hour. The net force causing this acceleration, or centripetal force, points at a 90-degree angle towards the left side of the intersection.
As we are pulling into the mini golf parking lot, we park our car. Since energy is neither created nor destroyed, braking to a stop converts kinetic energy into heat energy in our brakes from friction. The golf ball has gravitational potential energy when it is raised above the ground. This can be calculated by using the formula GPE equals mass times gravity times height. At the beginning of its path, its GPE equals 0.365 joules. Since energy is neither created nor destroyed, GPE equals kinetic energy. Thus, the kinetic energy equals 0.365 joules. When the putter and the golf ball make contact, Newton's third law shows that the putter and golf ball apply equal and opposite forces on each other. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When the golf ball gets hit into the water, the golf ball creates a circular wave. The circular wave is made by multiple wavefronts, also known as Huygens principle. I didn't make the hole, so in anger, I dragged my feet on the floor, causing friction to cause negative electrons to be transferred into my feet. As I get closer to the car door, the extra negative charges get attracted to the positive charges in the car, and I get shocked. Ouch! Next, we accelerate onto the highway. We go from 20 miles per hour to 70 miles per hour in 10 seconds. We convert these values to meters per second. When we plug it into the formula, acceleration equals delta V divided by delta T, we get the acceleration to be 2.234 meters per second squared.